Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for public exams. First, let's talk about planning. Begin by crafting a realistic study schedule, dedicating specific time slots to each subject. It's wise to break down large topics into smaller, more manageable chunks, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes each. Also, understanding your unique learning style, whether visual or auditory, will significantly enhance your study efficiency. This foundational planning sets you up for success. Now, let's dive into smart study strategies. Active recall is incredibly powerful. Instead of just rereading, try to retrieve information from memory, perhaps using flashcards or practice questions. Incorporate spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to embed knowledge deeply. A fantastic technique is to explain complex concepts to a friend or even to yourself, as teaching truly solidifies your grasp of the subject matter. Your well-being is paramount during exam preparation. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. A well-rested mind performs much better. Remember to take short, refreshing breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, every 45 to 60 minutes of study to prevent burnout. Furthermore, fuel your body with a balanced diet and drink plenty of water. These habits are crucial for sustained focus and energy. Finally, let's prepare for exam day itself. A quick review of key concepts and formulas just before the exam can be very beneficial. Plan to arrive at the exam venue at least 15 to 20 minutes early to settle in and avoid unnecessary stress. Once the exam begins, take a moment to read all instructions thoroughly and understand each question before you start writing. Stay calm and confident. You've prepared well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.